I've been thinking, have you ever noticed how many YouTube channels just disappear? Like, one day they're all over your feed and the next, poof, gone.
Yeah, what's up with that? Are they just too shy to show their faces?
You'd think, right? But actually, 99% of faceless YouTube channels end up failing. Want to know the crazy part? Most of them start off using AI, and that's when things start to go wrong.
Wait, what? AI? Isn't AI supposed to make everything better? Why would that cause a channel to fail?
That's the million-dollar question, and the answer might surprise you. But let's not give it away just yet. Stick around, and by the end, you'll know exactly why most faceless channels don't make it, and how you can avoid their mistakes. First things first, AI is cool. I mean, it's like having a robot assistant helping you. But let me ask you something. Have you ever thought AI could do everything perfectly?
Totally! It sounds like a dream come true. Type a few words and bam, your video is ready.
That's what people think. But here's the twist. AI won't automatically turn you into a YouTube star. A lot of faceless channels make this mistake. They think AI will handle everything. Scripts, editing, thumbnails. But AI's like a calculator. It can help, but you still have to know the math.
So you mean people expect too much and end up disappointed?
Yeah, nobody wants to watch 𝐶3PO reading from a script. Speaking of personality, here's where 99% of faceless channels fall flat. Have you ever clicked on a video and thought, whoa, this feels so boring?
Oh, it's like they're talking to a wall, not to me.
Here's the thing. Just because you're not showing your face doesn't mean you can skip on personality. You still need to connect with your audience. Think about it like this. Would you rather listen to a cool storyteller or someone reading a dictionary?
Storyteller for sure. So how do they do that if you can't see them?
They have to bring it through their voice, their humor, and the way they talk. It's all about energy. People will stay for the content, but they'll subscribe if they feel a connection. So if their videos are as dull as watching paint dry, you are out of luck. Here's where things get even trickier. A lot of people starting faceless channels in 2024 are relying too much on AI for everything. Scripts, ideas, and even video creation. You know those channels where you hear an obvious robot voice?
Oh yeah, like the ones that sound like Siri's long-lost cousin.
Those channels rely on AI-generated voices, and they feel off. AI voices can't match real emotions. The human touch matters more than ever, especially if you're faceless. You need to give people something to connect with, and that's hard to do when your voice sounds like a GPS.
So the mistake is thinking AI can replace real people?
Exactly. It's tempting to go all in on AI because it feels like it saves time. But here's the truth. People want genuine content. They want to hear real voices with real feelings. Don't just read off a robotic script. Okay, let's talk about content. Ever notice how some faceless channels just spit out the same stuff over and over? They might have cool visuals, but the information feels like a rerun of a bad TV show.
Yeah, it's like they're all saying the same thing. What's new?
Exactly. That's what I call a boring trend trap. People start these channels thinking they can just pump out content without putting in the effort to make it unique.
So the problem is, they're not original?
Bingo. To stand out, you've got to bring fresh ideas, or at least a fresh way of presenting them. Even if you're using AI for research, it's up to you to make it interesting. Add your own jokes, tell a story, or give a new angle on an old topic.
So basically, if you just copy what everyone else is doing, you're toast?
Toast. Burnt toast. Now let me ask you this. How long do you think it takes to make a successful YouTube channel?
Maybe a few weeks? A couple of months?
A lot of people think that, but it's actually way longer. Some faceless channel creators think they can just upload videos, walk away, and watch the views roll in. Spoiler alert, they won't.
So you're saying it's like growing a plant? You have to water it?
Yes, you have to grow your channel. A successful channel takes time, effort, and a lot of learning. You need to engage with your audience, update your content, and improve as you go. If you think YouTube is a quick and easy way to success, you're in for a surprise.
Yep, AI can't save you from that.
Let's talk about the YouTube algorithm for a second. A lot of people think AI can outsmart the algorithm. They try to use AI to figure out the perfect time to post, the exact keywords to use, and the ultimate video length. But here's the problem. The algorithm is always changing.
So AI can't predict everything?
YouTube's algorithm is like a tricky puzzle, and even AI doesn't know all the answers. Relying on AI alone to boost your channel is a big mistake. You need to experiment, see what works, and adjust your strategy. It's a constant game.
Are you saying there isn't a one-size-fits-all answer?
Right. That's why you need to pay attention to your analytics, not just trust some AI tool. All right, last but not least, let's talk about community. One huge reason why faceless channels fail is they forget to build a community. Have you ever noticed how some channels have loyal followers?
Yeah, like they have inside jokes and stuff.
If you're just uploading videos without interacting with your viewers, you're missing out. AI can't build relationships, but you can. Responding to comments, asking your viewers questions, and creating a sense of community will keep people coming back for more.
So basically, if you don't talk to your audience, it's like throwing a party but ignoring all your guests?
Clearly. And trust me, no one sticks around for that kind of party. So to sum it up, here's why 99% of faceless channels fail when they start with AI. They expect too much from the technology, don't add their own personality, rely on bland content, and think they can just sit back and relax.
It's not a shortcut to success, huh?
Nope. AI is just a tool. If you're thinking about starting a faceless channel, remember this. You've got to bring the creativity, the effort, and the personality. AI can help, but it can't do it all for you.
So what's the big secret to being in the top 1%?
Easy. Be real, stay engaged, and keep improving. And hey, if AI helps along the way, use it, but don't rely on it completely. You've got this.
Well, guess I better go rethink my faceless channel ideas.
Haha, just remember, don't be like a burnt toast.